Emergency stop switch is used in case of malfunction, and key switch is used to turn on the instrument. Click Start to enter the Handle Plus language display interface. You can select the corresponding language change, and click Select to enter the treatment interface. First of all, the interface has 3 modes. The middle 3D Smart Graphics can be sliding graphics to select the body or face treatment area. 1 to 6 categories of skin color type can be selected. SML/XL is based on the size of the treatment area to choose. Click on the 3D image of the area to be treated to enter the parameter adjustment screen. Into the treatment parameters interface, energy is recommended from 85J to adjust, according to the customer, to accept the energy to increase or decrease the energy. Frequency represents the speed of light. Small area of the treatment 1 to 2 Hz, large area of the treatment of 4 to 6 Hz. Pulse width is the time of the energy effect on the skin, the treatment of the pulse width of the use of 30 to 50 milliseconds. The cooling system can improve the operation of the degree of comfort, the operation of the 4 to 5, 12 groups of treatment. Parameters can be saved, the left side of the function keys to use. Parameter saving. Use the process of clicking on the number turns orange. This time you can adjust the treatment parameters. Click Save. The treatment parameters save complete. SHR Stack Professional Mode, suitable for large areas of the body hair treatment. SHR Intelligent Mode, suitable for any part of the body. The difference between SHR and SHR Stack Mode is the difference in interface time. For the user who just contacted the instrument is more suitable for SHR treatment. You can better judge the clinical effect. HR Fixed Point Mode, suitable for small parts of the treatment, such as eyebrows, nose hair. Ear effect is better. How does the client profile work? First, find Add User and click to enter the client file creation. Select client's gender, input name and phone number, and click Confirm to save. The client profile is completed. Click on the client profile to enter the treatment interface. Adjust the corresponding treatment parameters. Start treatment. After the treatment, click Save to save the data of this treatment. When waiting for the next customer treatment, you can directly click Null to find the customer information and the last used treatment parameters. You can refer to the last treatment parameters for treatment. How does the skin test handle work? Long press the camera button to turn on the handle. Enter the treatment interface. Click on the skin test button. Enter the operation interface. Firstly, link the Bluetooth of skin test handle. Click on the strongest signal and input the password 12345678. Click OK. It shows that the connection has been made. Click to return. Enter the skin test interface. There are 3 modes. Click to enter the 808 hair detection. Enter the interface. Place the handle vertically and gently on the treatment parts. When the image is clear, press the camera button. Continuously shoot 3 pictures. The screen appears red check mark. And then click the camera button. The test is completed. After the completion of the test, instrument will automatically generate a report. The instrument will give corresponding treatment parameters according to the test results of the treatment area. Click to exit the test interface. After returning to the treatment interface, you can see that the recommended treatment parameters will appear on the screen. You can choose to use or abandon the recommended treatment parameters. If the handle is out of power, you can directly plug the power cord into the instrument's USB port for charging. Any USB interface can be used, and the indicator light of the handle will flash after charging. How does hair removal work? A special design handle with 5 different spot sizes is available for whole body parts treatment. First of all, shave the hair of the treatment area and clean it, according to the number and color of hair and skin color, to adjust treatment parameters. Energy, start from 85J. Frequency, 4 Hz to pulse width 25 milliseconds. Cooling, 4. Install the treatment head and apply cold gel with a thickness of 1 mm, which should be larger than the treatment area. The operator and the customer should wear goggles before treatment. Prepare for operation. The handle screen can be directly adjusted parameters. Click Ready to start treatment. Press the handle button and slide it against client's skin vertically. Ask the customer whether there is a sense of warmth. If not, you can increase the energy or pulse width. At the same time, use the cooling on the handle to apply ice to the customer first for better comfort. Unilateral treatment of the axilla can basically reach the clinical endpoint within 200 seconds. Clinical endpoint judgment. The skin is slightly red, the heat released from the inside out. Part of the hair can be gently pulled up. Clean the skin after the treatment. Small area hair removal operation. First of all, shave the hair and clean the treatment area according to the number and color of hair and skin color to adjust the treatment parameters. Energy. Start from 50 J. Frequency 1 Hz pulse with 20 milliseconds cooling. 4. When using the facial tip, be careful to take off the red cap when installing it. Apply cold gel with a thickness of 1 millimeter, larger than the treatment area. Prepare for the operation. Press the handle button to make the handle fit the skin for fixed point operation. The customer will feel warmth at the treatment part. If not, you can increase the energy or pulse width. Use the cooling on the handle to calm down the customer's skin, which will be more comfortable. The clinical endpoint can be basically reached within 50 seconds for unilateral eyebrow treatment. Clinical endpoint judgment. The skin is slightly red, hot from the inside out, and some hair can be gently pulled out. After the treatment, clean the skin. The parameters are for reference only. It is recommended to start with low energy and adjust the parameters appropriately according to the customer's feedback during treatment. The specific number of light spots is for reference only. It will be different according to the physical condition of different customers, and the endpoint response of the treatment shall prevail. After treatment, it is important to pay attention to hydration, sun protection, dietary restrictions, avoid vigorous exercise, and follow medical advice for corresponding skin management.